Hey Blake here. I made a quick little video using Stellarium just to show what's going on with Jupiter and Saturn over the next few weeks. What I'll do is I'll advance time till the end of the year. The high water mark, as we've discussed already, is um, uh, December 21st. So that's when Jupiter and Saturn are kind of right on top of each other. So I've got Stellarium going. I've turned on the ecliptic. That's the orange line. You can see the constellation boundaries. This is tonight. The time is set to 5:45 p.m. I've got the Toronto location set, so this should be good for most people in the Greater Toronto Hamilton area. And I've turned on the traces as well, so we can see sort of the path of the planets. So I'm going to advance night by night. You can see the traces are starting to emerge. There must be a whole bunch of asteroids, maybe some comets out that way. But you can see how Jupiter and Saturn are slowly moving eastward. They're going to exit out of the east edge of the Sagittarius constellation and head into Capricornus later. Um, you can see all the while they're getting lower in the sky during all of this, so that's a good thing and a bad thing. We might be punching through more air, so the views may not be as crisp. That's the big disadvantage there. And coming up soon here, there's going to be a neat sort of photo op for wide field. Here it is. So super thin crescent moon on the 16th will join Jupiter and Saturn. Meanwhile, Saturn's just gone into Capricornus, technically, just crossed the border. And then a night later, the moon is still sort of in the scene, pretty close to those two planets. Jupiter got a bit closer to Saturn in the meantime. So that, again, that'll be neat, sort of wide field to look at that, maybe photograph that. And then a couple of nights later, you can see in the software here anyway, Jupiter and Saturn are kind of merging, but they're going to be less than 1 degree apart in the sky, and that'll fit it within a single field of view for most telescopes. I don't know. I don't quite understand the math of a conjunction, the technical proper use of the term conjunction. So I'll just call this an appulse, where those two planets are super, super close together. And then if we roll down to the end of the year, there's the 31st, and you can see the sky now at 5:45 is starting to get a bit brighter again. And obviously Jupiter moving faster is starting to pull away from Saturn now. So that's just a quick sort of view. I'll roll back here just so you can see it happening all very quickly. So again, Jupiter is closing in on Saturn over the next few days to the 21st. Then it drifts by and starts pulling away through to the end of the year. So that's a quick highlight for you.